Alright, so today we are removing the wheel from a 1946 Aeronca 7EC. So this has the Goodyear wheel, and we're going to go ahead, take the cotter pin out, a set of duckbills, take out the two screws that hold the bearing retainer in. Of course, I've already got the hubcap off with the three screws to hold that on. So, pull off the bearing retainer, and then on the inside you want to take a straight slot, and I've got this jacked up right now using this floor jack. Pull off these three little pieces, make sure I've got, oh, there's another one here. And these parts come out. And yeah, this is completely foreign to somebody who's used to working with Cleveland wheels, such as myself. So now that we've got all of those out, and this is stiff turning right now because we had some flood water out here and this whole area was actually underwater. So I've got these four retainers out, I've got the buttons out there that hold those in. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove the axle nut. Now the axle nut is off. This should come right off. So what's interesting about the Goodyear mechanical wheel is that the brake disc just kind of floats in here. So I could completely remove this brake disc right now. So you can see the water coming out of this wheel. So this is going to be a mess to clean up. So the bearings right here, as you would expect. Two more screws to get that bearing out. The last one of these I had to pry gently around the edge, trying not to mark up that area, and I was able to remove that bearing as well, and then clean it and inspect it. So it's pretty much the same on assembly. You have to put the wheel on, you have to find the areas where it fits into these slots, and then put these clips back on with the buttons. As you're looking in here on the wheel, you'll notice that there are screws. There's basically one clip in the middle of each one of those going on around. So that is a Goodyear wheel and brake assembly on an Aeronca 7EC.